Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and as a part of my outdoor smart home upgrades, I'm getting a white and color ambience Lightstrip outdoor 16 feet. So I think this is gonna go on the side of my house, but I want to go ahead and unbox this thing and see what's up with it. So let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we're back here at the legendary unboxing table, and yeah, like I was saying, I think I want to go and put it around my house. Like, I think that would look pretty nice there, so I'm not sure what I would use it for exactly, but I think it would look pretty dope. And obviously it's not going to go around my entire house unless I get multiple of these, but I think I'm going to go and put it around my porch area. So just looking here in the front of the box, you can see here that we got the light strip, which we can't cut or anything, so it's not like a regular light strip that you put inside like I got over there on my pool table. And you can't extend these, you got to put it like next to each other, so that kind of sucks, but I mean, it is what it is, I guess. So we got Philips Hue white and color ambience light strip outdoor 16 feet, and then we also got 16 million colors. We got the outdoor badge right there, and then we also got an included low voltage power adapter, as you can see. So just looking around the box, there's really not that much information on here besides the back. So if you want to go and read that, just go and pause this video and read it for yourself. But I want to go and unbox this thing, so let's go and do this thing. So I think we just go ahead and cut the tape here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and do that. Rah, like Flossie Carter does. And let's just go and get into this thing. There we go. So we got a 16-foot cord. Man, that is a beast. So let's just go and take this out the box real quick. That's our power adapter that it looks like we got. And then we also got some brackets. So that's pretty nice. I got outdoor sockets I can plug this thing into, obviously. So I'm good for that. But besides the power adapter and things like that, we also have some screws here for our brackets. So we can just go and put that alongside the house if you want to. And then we just got our user manual. So for now, we're gonna just throw that to the side just like that, as always. And y'all, that's pretty much inside the box. So pretty simple and straightforward. So just taking that out that plastic wrap there, as you can see, it's a pretty thick light strip, so it's nothing to mess around about. So it is water resistant and everything, and as you can see here, it is pretty flexible, but just on the x-axis, really on the y-axis is not as much. Alexa, why are you going off right now? But this is a pretty beefy power adapter, so this is water resistant too, by the way, just to point that out. So as you can see here, we can just plug it into our regular outlet, and it's not even a 3-prong, so that's pretty nice. So at this point, you would just go and set it up in the Philips Hue app. So let me go and do that. I'm gonna grab my phone real quick, and then I'll get back with y'all. All right, y'all, so I got my Galaxy Fold, as you can see here, and of course, when you're setting this thing up, you're gonna need a Philips Hue bridge. So if you don't got one already, you need to buy one. But let's just go and set this up already in the Hue app. So you go ahead and download the Philips Hue app, and if you don't have an account already, you will go ahead and make one. And if you have a home already like me, you would just go over to the settings, you would go over here to light setup, and then you would tap on add light. At this point, you would just hit on search, and then it would go and search for that light right there. And just like that, Hue Light Strip Outdoor 1. So if I go and tap on this, that's how we know that's that. And I can just go and tap on this eye here and set up if I want to. So I can go and rename it and change the icon and everything. And now I want to go and put in my outdoor room. So I'm gonna go and tap on that outdoor room. I'm gonna go and tap on the menu, tap on edit room and move lights. And then I can just go ahead and check that box right there where I just renamed it right there. So now it's in the same room. As you can see, we got house siding lights, so I can go and change the colors and everything if I want to. So that's pretty dope. I can change the actual colors if I want to. And this is like a really nice brightness. So this is gonna look great at night. So at this point, I'm gonna just go and set this up on the side of my house, and then I'll get back to y'all when I'm done with that. Alright, y'all, so we're on the side of my house, and I'll be honest, I started this video maybe in December or something like that, but I did want to show you this. So this is the light that I have right here. I installed it on the side of my house, and honestly, it looks a lot better than I thought. Now I did screw up here. As you can see, there is some holes like literally right next to it because I drilled them all in the wrong area, but we still got them up. So if you look at that, it goes all the way here from the side, and it goes all the way down, pretty much just covering the whole porch area. If you look in the back of my house, you can see that I got another light strip. Left side of the garage has a light strip, and even the right side, they got a motion sensor just like the side of the house. I'm actually using an indoor SmartThings motion sensor, but since it's under this, it's not really gonna get rained on. But on the side of the house, I have a Philips Hue one. So as you can see, pretty easy to work with. I just walk over here and it instantly turns on. Now one common theme I can actually see here with these light strips besides in the back of the house is this. So you can see that on the very left side, it's not really diffusing right. I don't know why, but I mean, you can see that they add some really good ambience to the backyard here. So it's just brightening it up, and even if I put this thing on white, it's gonna light up this whole backyard area right here. Now I actually have both of these light strips on the scene, which I mean, I'll show y'all that in a minute, but it turns to these colors every night, and it just, like I said, it looks boss out here. So what I did was I went ahead and ran the strip from the part that doesn't have the cord all the way down here, and I ran the wiring from there all the way down this garage here, and I ran it over here to where this light is, and it actually has this right here, as you can see, and I actually have this plugged in so it helps with the wiring, and it runs all the way over here to my outlet. And you can see right there that I got a power adapter just screwed in right there for the Philips Hue light. Now here's the thing, I actually tried to put that light strip under these plants right here, and every single time it would rain, it would kind of just flood here on the edges, and it would just damage the light strip. The colors are all over the place. I probably got a picture of that. And not only when it would rain, it's also when it would snow. So also when it snows, it's just gonna cover it, so it's not really that much of a point. But that was just becoming a big issue for me. Now luckily Philips Hue did come in clutch. They actually replaced it for me for free under the warranty, but I just can't help but imagine, what if it wasn't under warranty or something like that? Then I would just basically be screwed. Also, it's an outdoor light strip, so I don't know why I got damaged. Now I don't know the rating of it. I'll put it in the video right now, but that just didn't sit right with me. But ultimately in the end, like I said, I just ended up putting it here at the top end. I mean, it looked better in my opinion because you can actually see these better. Pretty much the whole point of this was not only to add ambience to the backyard, but so I can actually show off these plants here at night. Now at this point, I want to go ahead and show y'all the app for this. So check this out. It's on the Philips Hue app. Just look it up on the Play Store or the App Store, and it's completely free, obviously. Now if we go and look at this, I got these things set up in zones. So here's the backyard here, as you can see, and I have my backyard light strip. So as you can see there, garage siding light left. And if I go ahead and move this around, the colors do change, as you can see. In terms of color accuracy, I would say it's pretty good. On some colors it can't really do that well. Like I noticed on some shades of green it could be better, but I'll go ahead and show you how bright it is too. So if I go and click on energize, look at how bright this backyard gets. Like my neighbors hate me when I do this. You can actually see the fence and kind of my neighbor's backyard here, but just take a look at that. That's so much light, it's ridiculous. Now of course if you want to, you can go ahead and turn down the brightness, so let me go and do that real quick, and you can adjust it kind of a lot. You have a lot of flexibility here. I keep it on my Tokyo scene, so I'm gonna go and click on this, and as you can see there, looking good again. And then we got all these different scenes that we got by default, which you can also add more, but we got night light, we got Reed, Soho, we got dimmed, we got all this different stuff right here. Energized, which is the brightest one I could find. And if we go and tap on Tokyo again, we actually got this play button, so that means that the colors will start shifting on here, which is pretty dope in my opinion. I like that a lot. So far, would I recommend this light strip? They are mad expensive because you know how Philips Hue is. There is competition out there like Govee and all that, but they don't have diffusers like these outdoor light strips do. And I gotta say, just Philips Hue and the ecosystem and everything about it, I gotta say, I definitely recommend them. They add so much here to the house, and you can also run them on the bottom or maybe along a baseboard or whatever the case is. And you got a lot of different use cases for them. So like here, it was just easy to install, and I can see the garbage cans here, as you can see when I'm taking the garbage out at night. Same thing with the side of the house. When you're pulling in at the side of the house, you can get a clear view of the driveway. And on top of that, they're LED lights, so they're really not gonna cost that much running them. Anyway, y'all, let me go get up out of here. It's 9:55. I'm pretty sure my neighbors are going to sleep at this point, so maybe I should go ahead and call it. But thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like, and if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media, Eddie Centec, on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. And let me know if you'll pick up some lights like this. I think I want to go and do a whole tour of my Philips Hue lights because I got a whole bunch of them at this point. Gotta say, one of the easiest purchasing decisions I ever made. Like, that's a hands down fact. But let me go and get up out of here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one then. Peace out.
Chucky Beef.